Hi, this is Lois. Today I am going to show you some things with editing on the mats. That's once you get off the canvas. Okay, now to begin, we will start with a fresh project. I'm going to cancel out of what I was doing before and we'll get rid of this and we'll start new. Okay, I'm going to use the shapes, and this is just for demonstration. Let's get a square. Let's get maybe one more shape, maybe a diamond shape. Okay, and I'm going to make these different colors. So we'll go up here to the color box and make a green diamond. And let's see, a blue square and a purple circle. Okay, and now I'm just going to duplicate these several times because I am going to show you how you can hide, edit, move mats once we are on the mat. Right now we are on the canvas. So we'll just duplicate a bunch of those. Okay, now let's say I'm ready to do this project. I have a whole bunch of shapes to cut for some reason. Maybe I'm making badges or name tags or whatever. And so now I can go to make it. And it has arranged them on the mats. It looks like my squares are on two mats, and then I've got circles on one. And there we go. Okay, I've got 6, 7 diamonds across here. I can move them to rearrange them. Maybe my vinyl is facing a certain direction, or is it just a certain amount that I have? I can, of course, turn them. These are the more obvious things that I'm sure most of you already know that you can rearrange like this. Okay, but there's some other things you can do too. Let's say I just need these 5 diamonds. I don't need these 2 right here. Up here in the left-hand corner, there's 3 little dots. You click on those. You can hide the selected object. You can move the object. Okay, I just need 5. I'm going to hide that one. It's down here. I'm going to hide that one. I've got 2 hidden objects. Okay, let's go to the squares. I've got 9 squares on this mat, 6 on that mat. Let's say I need these squares. Let's go to this mat. So I clicked on that. That I want these, 2 of these squares need to be a different color, or I need them separated for some reason. So let's go down here. And I am going to move this one, move object. I can move it to another mat. Let's say I want a green square, so I can cut it with the greens and confirm. And so now my square's up there. And let's go up here so we can see the others. There's the mat I'm on. There's the other squares. Now, let's see. Maybe I've decided that I need these circles. I need 3 of these circles to be a different color. There's a couple of ways I can do this. I can move these down. Let's say I want them yellow. I can move the 3 down that I want yellow, and I can put my purple paper up at the top and a piece of yellow at the bottom. Or if you prefer not to do that just because you don't have the right size of paper or scraps, another option is to go to the three little dots and say move object and put it on a new mat, and we'll pick yellow and confirm. And there's your circle on the yellow mat. We'll go back to the purple, and we wanted all three of these on the yellow mat. So we're going to move it, and I'll pick the yellow, and there it goes. And we'll go to the last one, the three little dots, move the object, and there we go. Okay, now we have the yellow. We've moved to different colors. We've moved around on mats. We've hidden. Okay, on one of these, we hid some diamonds. Okay, we've got two hidden here. Let's say we remembered that we need one more. Now, I don't need to go back into my canvas to get another diamond. I can go down here to hidden, click on it, and here's another diamond. And I can position it however I want. So I can position it there or up there. But anyway, those are the edits that you can do on the mats. And these actually, once you start using them, it does save you time. When you're doing images with multiple pieces, you can arrange your colors. You could even put a piece of red paper or red vinyl there at the square and then just do the rest green. But you can move things around and consolidate it. And anyway, it's some good little tips. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and until next time, have a great day. Bye.